2, 3. Testing, testing. Iron testing.
We get it. We can hear you.
Give it up for Laundry Pie.
Birdhouse has a hole and Cupid's click wheel is shaped like me.
Sounds good to me.
Since we team for a familiar shape, we'll be Coin Class.
Let's begin the first contest of my new competition. One of the greatest anyone has ever seen. Let's begin game show of extreme fun and violence.
Yeah, are you able to do all this? Like this magic stuff?
What happens if we catch a ball? Okay.
Whoa!